Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about how does an infrared inspection work on a commercial roof. So what exactly is an infrared inspection? So what it does is it determines the moisture in between a roofing membrane and the insulation underneath. It's beneficial to a building owner because you never want to install a roofing system over a wet area. If you do on a spray foam roof, it could cause some blistering. On a rubber roof that has some seams, the seams can be uplifted, and really any water that's underneath a roofing system, it can go up or down. If it goes up on a rubber roof, the seams could be uplifted and split open. If it goes down, it could go into your deck, cause some rotting issues, which is another different ball game of cost there. So just a good idea that you never want to have wet insulation and you want to get rid of it before you do a new roofing system. So how it works is that we'll come out at nighttime, mostly right after when the sun goes down, to where the top of your roof is cool. You got the water underneath and your insulation is still hot from the day's sun. So in between, usually when the sun's about to go down. So the infrared will pick up the cool roof and the heat underneath and determine the difference. And we'll mark those areas with spray paint. Those are the areas we need to remove out of there and put new replacement parts down before we do the rest of the field of your roof. So that's how it kind of works. Now, if there's one thing to take away from this entire video or the article below, you never want to install a roofing system over wet insulation. Thank you so much. Hope you learned something new. Thank you.